This is War Brief Daily for August 6. The headline is a heavy Russian strike on Kyiv, followed by a credible Ukrainian drone hit south of Moscow. And across the other major flashpoints, the verified picture is thin. That is not inactivity. It is the limit of what can be confirmed in this reporting window. Here's the short version. We're tracking the Kyiv attack, Russia's unverified Black Sea ship strike claim, and Ukraine's reported deep strike against a warehouse near Moscow. First, Kyiv. Early on August 5, Russia launched a major overnight attack on Kyiv and the surrounding region. Ukrainian authorities and Reuters confirm air defense activity, fires, warehouse damage, and civilian casualties. The latest official figure reported was at least 17 people killed and 44 wounded. Those numbers move during rescue operations. That is normal in a large strike. It is not competing versions of the same event. It is responders gaining access and updating the count. Ballistic missiles were confirmed as part of the package. Other reporting describes a mixed missile and drone attack, but exact launch totals are not independently nailed down. Ukrainian reporting also described damaged warehouses and an ammonia leak near the capital. Russia says it struck 7 Kyiv-area logistics centers tied to dual-use goods and drone components. That is a Russian official claim, not a confirmed battle damage assessment. A warehouse being hit does not automatically mean a military supply network was destroyed. Let's keep this clean. Moscow also claims it struck 3 cargo ships south of Odessa in the Black Sea. At this stage, there is no independent confirmation of those strikes, the vessels involved, or the damage. If corroborated, that would matter because it increases pressure on Ukraine's maritime trade and logistics routes. But for now, it stays in the claimed column. Second, Ukraine appears to have pushed back into Russia's rear area. Reuters-based reporting, along with acknowledgement from the company and regional authorities, indicates Ukrainian drones struck a Wildberries warehouse south of Moscow on August 5th. This is credible and locally acknowledged. What is not established is the full damage assessment, the number of drones used, or whether the site had any direct military role. The immediate effect may be disruption rather than strategic degradation, but that still forces Russia to spend air defense attention and resources far from the front, and that changes the math. No clearly verified territorial shift was established on the ground during this cycle. No breakthrough, no collapse, no map arrow theater. The story is the long-range exchange. Russia hitting Kyiv's rear area infrastructure and Ukraine sustaining the ability to impose risk inside Russia. Elsewhere, there is no fresh, time-bounded kinetic event we can confirm in the Middle East, Sudan and the Sahel, or the Indo-Pacific. In the Middle East, reporting centered on U.S.-Iran discussions and possible Strait of Hormuz arrangements, not a confirmed strike or maritime incident. What to watch next? Final Kyiv casualty and damage figures, independent imagery or maritime reporting on the alleged Black Sea ship strikes, and Russian local updates on the warehouse damage south of Moscow. That's your War Brief Daily for August 6th. No spin, no noise, just intel. Subscribe for the next verified update.